Today's vlog is going to be about going to pick up my Jeep, my SRT8. Today I took it to, well actually yesterday, we dropped it off at Rene Performance. He's doing a Bwoody Performance suspension kit / alignment kit. We're going to go ahead and put it on. We recently dropped the Jeep. We put the Black Ops drop springs and it went pretty low. So I'll show pictures here soon. It was pretty low, had a lot of camber though, and was a little bouncy. So we went ahead, got the Bwoody Performance alignment kit, and we're gonna go over there to Rene's to pick it up. Should be ready, and we're gonna see how it worked out. Hopefully the camber is out and rides a little better. And yeah, stay tuned guys. So watch us go to Rene's, pick it up. I'm gonna give you guys a review. I'm gonna drive it around, see how it feels, and then possibly go give it a little rinse after the gym, because obviously go to the gym, gotta get the gains. Oh yeah, but right now we're in the basement. Gotta get my dogs out before I go to the gym, because if I come back there will be shit everywhere. So yeah, stay tuned guys. This is my boy Mo right here. Excuse the messiness. It's my girl right here, Red Rum. What's up, girl? What's up? So yeah, stay tuned, guys. So we're here at RE Performance right now, picking up the Jeep. He's got a little bit of projects going on right now. Got the TVSS. Doing a cam swap on this crew cab right here. Make sure y'all hit up my man RE Performance, Rene, best in town. We're doing all these type of jobs right here. What's up guys? So we just picked a Jeep from Rene at RE Performance, and shit, looks good. Got the camber out, still needs an alignment. We should be taking it to Les Schwab here in a couple days once I get a chance. I'm sorry about the ride. It's a little bouncy. The streets in here in Colorado are shit. They're horrible streets. So if you ever decide to move out here to Colorado, keep in mind streets are horrible. But yeah, pretty amazed of how fast you got it done right away. Brought it here yesterday night, hit me up today, picked it up. Like I said, the Jeep looks good. I'll be taking it. It's a little dark right now, so you guys can't really see, but I'm gonna go. I'm going to the gym right now, you know, get a little bit of the workout in, you know, gotta get them gains. But yeah, fucking sorry about the language. Yeah, we're gonna go. I'll give it a little wash for you guys, and hopefully you guys can check it out and see it all around. But yeah, so far rides a little better than how he was riding. It was a little bouncy before. Right now it's a little bouncy, but it's because only when you hit big potholes. And right now I'm on a pretty shitty street, so yeah. My pops is here already. Beat me to the gym. Little platinum right there, yes sir. You know we gotta go. You know pops gotta be riding good too. But yeah, we're here at the gym. Let me go get this workout in, guys, and yeah, stay tuned for the video. Alright guys, so we are done with the little gym sesh. As y'all can see, we are out. Let's see if we can fix the lighting. It's a little better right there. We're gonna go wash the Jeep, check out how it looks, see if we are able to see how it looks, if it's not too dark. Not sure how to work this camera yet, but I'll get better, guys. So y'all stay tuned for more vlogs and better vlogs. So yeah, let's go check out the Jeep. So it's pretty dark right now, y'all can't really see the Jeep, but we got no camber, no more camber. Shout out Rene from Rene Performance. Got that Bwoody Performance alignment kit on. Got rid of the camber. See if we can go to the car wash, get some better lighting. But yeah, we got no more camber. I'll put up some pictures to see how it looked before. But man, this shit looks so good. What's up, guys? So we're here at the car wash. Oh, drop my phone. We're about to wash the Jeep. The grocery getter. It's pretty dirty. Man, that looks so good. But yeah, we about to wash it. We're here at a auto wash. If you know, you know. And we're about to wash the Jeep. Alright guys, back at you guys. So we now have cleaned the Jeep. We did a little rinse, nothing too special. It is cold. It's about that time here in Colorado. Winter's coming, so it's too cold to wash to be even washing the Jeep, but here we are. We went ahead and installed the Bwoodys alignment kit, stage 3, I believe. I'll go ahead and put links to that. And we also went ahead and put the Bwoody, the Roadmagnets Black springs. I don't believe they sell those anymore, so can't put links to those. I bought them like 2 years ago. Barely put them on like a month ago. My man Rene from Rene Performance went ahead and installed them for me, and then I was waiting on the Bwoody suspension kit. So now I went ahead yesterday, took it to him. He went ahead and installed it, got that nasty camber out, and now all it needs is alignment. So it's still got a little bit of camber, but all it needs is alignment. So yeah, like I said, the Turk's pretty much stock. It's got the black springs, road magnets. I think those are the lowest springs you can go on these Jeeps. So I mean, it looks badass. I'm in love with my Jeep. It's the grocery getter. So yeah. What else does it have? So besides the springs, the road magnet, and the alignment kit, it has, oh, slotted brakes. That's it. Pretty much it. Pretty stock for now. I'm waiting for it to for the motors to go out, because I guess these are so popular for that. And then my man Rene is gonna go ahead and we're gonna put a cam in it. I'm probably gonna pro charge it. You know, a nice little grocery getter. My wife uses it more than me, so just waiting, you know, for it to go out, and she's pretty excited to be driving that as a daily. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about the Jeep, a little video, a little clip. Like I said, I didn't really clean it. I'll take it during the weekend to get it detailed, but the video should be of me taking the SS clone to Rene to get fixed at RE Performance and get that bitch back on the road so we can go get it dynoed and start getting crazy with it, you know. Haven't drove it in like 3 years, so I'm kind of excited to get the SS clone back and running. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, you know, and comment, you know. Let me know what you guys want to watch, what you guys want me to vlog about, and hope you guys enjoy. Yep.